Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got a beautiful spring morning out here today. We're going to take advantage of it. We're going to continue to work on the Fury here, just basic inspection and maintenance items. Going to jack it up, get the wheels off of it, take a look at the brakes on this thing. Fuel filter, just some little odd and end things we need to take care of. Y'all stick around. I'll give y'all a look at a few things I did the other day off camera. The coil, it appeared to be the original coil for this vehicle, so I had an Excel's Superstock laying in the building, so I just went ahead and put that on there. But in the process of doing that, I realized that the negative wire didn't even have a terminal on it. It was just a wire wrapped around there with no nut, just bare wire just twisted around the terminal. And then on the positive side, the hot side, it had a big naked spot right here in the wire. It's a wonder it hadn't grounded out on that valve cover or something and melted the harness on this thing. I don't know what kind of issues they had going on, but somebody has been in here screwing around with the wiring. I'm not exactly sure what this goes to. It's tied up around the hood hinge rod. And then they've obviously ran a new field wire to the alternator down here, because here is what appears to be the original field wire taped up, and then they ran this new green wire. And I found one or two wires running through the firewall that that did look like they at one time went to something, but they're temporarily unhooked. Like here's one of them dangling out, coming through where the speedo cable goes through. I apologize, y'all. We got about 5 woodpeckers right here close by. If y'all hear them in the back of the video. I went ahead and replaced the negative battery cable. It was just in bad condition, you know, maintenance items. And put a quick disconnect on it. That way we don't drive it that much. We can just unhook the negative side of the battery and not have to worry about it draining. I did tidy up some of this wiring right here, but I need to get a new cable for the hot side. As you can see, it's all brittle and cracking. We're waiting on a power steering hose today. That should come in this afternoon. We realized we had a leak right there at that union. So that should take care of our power steering leak. So right now what I'm going to focus on is changing out that fuel filter, and then we're going to get it up on jacks and check the brakes out on this thing. fucking wheel bearing so greased now, so the hub won't stay still.
Want some help?
Look, Lou, look, grab the tire like this. You're gonna have to bear hug it. And now, you gotta be a man and lift it up, because the drum's gonna spin, because I got it fresh grease in there. Now start them on there by hand, don't cross-thread them.
That was joyful.
See, it wouldn't do that before, because the damn brakes was dragging on it. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. We're just gonna put this on a time lapse. We knocked them drums off and cleaned the brakes up some and repacked the wheel bearings and put them back together. That side, whoops, sorry. The passenger side was fine. The driver's side gave me a big fit. That thing was definitely dragging. But I think that has to do with that power steering line was leaking all on that control arm, and whatever fluid was resting on that control arm was leaking into the backside of the drum. So we'll have to pick up some brakes for this thing soon. So yeah, that's just a quick little video for y'all today. Just keep y'all updated on the project here. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video.